When Jesus don cross go the other side with boat, plenty people come gather round am for the water side. Then one oga for the synagogue, when him name be Jairus, come, and when he see Jesus, he fall for him front, dey beg am say,
My small daughter don nearly die. Make you come touch am so that e go well again.
Jesus and plenty people come follow am, and the people dey push Jesus from every corner. E get one woman among them wey don dey menstruate for 12 years now. This woman don suffer well for many doctor hand, and e don spend all the money wey e get. But instead of am to well, the sickness come dey worse more. When e hear about Jesus, e waka go where Jesus dey, come manage touch him cloth because e talk from him mind say,
If I go fit touch him cloth, I go well.
At once, the blood come stop and him feel am for him body say e don well. Na once Jesus know say power comot for him body, he come turn round ask the people.
Who touch my cloth?
Him disciples come answer am.
You see all these plenty people dey push you, and you dey ask who touch me?
But he come dey look everywhere make he for see the person wey touch am. Fear catch the woman when he know wetin happen to am. So he come meet Jesus, kneel down for him front, come tell am everything wey happen. So Jesus tell am,
My pikin, your faith don make you well. Make peace follow you and make you well finish.
As Jesus still dey talk, people from Jairus house come tell am say,
Your daughter don die, why you still dey worry the teacher?
Jesus no lis ten to them, but he come tell the man,
Make you not fear, but make you just believe.
Jesus no let anybody follow am except Peter, James and John, wey be James brother. Dem come reach Jairus house, come see plenty people dey make noise, dey cry. When Jesus enter, he tell them,
Why una dey cry like this? The pikin never die, e just dey sleep.
Dem come dey laugh am. Jesus drive dem go outside, come take the pikin mama and papa with the disciples wey follow am, go inside the room where the pikin dead body dey. Then he hold the pikin hand small, come tell am,
Talita, kumi.
wey mean,
Small girl, get up.
the girl wey be 12 years that time, come get up at once begin waka around the house. Everybody surprised for wetin happen. But Jesus warn dem well say make dem not let anybody know wetin happen so. Then he come tell dem make dem give the pikin food chop.